We are doing a headlight restoration on the Mustang right now. Take a look at that. The other side looks really good. I'll give you an update when that's done. Have you take a look at that. But if you could see my profile picture, you could see how bad the headlights were. I'm gonna get aftermarket ones. I'm just doing this because your boy is bored. Nope, it's sticking. I have to flip this. There we go. Hang on. Currently using an oxidation remover on the passenger side headlight. It's gonna look good. I'll give you guys an update when that's done. All right. Look at this. Is this side? Here's the other side. I'm gonna apply the clear coating on it right now. Look at that. It's looking good. I'll give you a finished product here in a second. All right. That looks a lot better. This one, I don't know if it can clear up. I think this one's long too gone. This one cleared up nicely though. This one, might have to do a little bit more sanding and reapply the clear coat, but it looks better than it did. Oh, it looks better than it did. 100%. Yeah, it looks a lot better. I approve of this. That headlight is a little foggy, as you can see, but it also doesn't look bad at all. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.